Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel about nature. My name is Yunus Dirham. Today we have a guest star from student majoring in forestry. Hi Ninisa, how are you?
Hi, I am fine. How about you?
I'm good. I have a question for you.
Okay, let's hear it.
So, how did you get interested in the forestry department in the first place? Where basically women are interested in health.
Indeed, people often ask me why did you choose the forestry department when not nursing or administration?
Okay, but at the time, what do you say?
Because I love nature and I am interested in nature.
Wow, very interesting. It is rare for women to be interested in the first three majors. How exactly do you keep natural in the order?
Okay, here I will tell you a little about my experience regarding nature conservation. So, in caring for the environment, we don't just take care of the environment around us, such as throwing garbage in its place, planting tree on the side of the road, and so on. But we also have to maintain and care for nature, such as not cutting down trees carelessly, not burning forests carelessly, not dropping land, and so on.
Yeah, but in Indonesia itself, there are still many people who don't care about environmental issues and the natural surroundings. A little story also yesterday, I climbed the mountain in Mamuju. The natural scenery is very good, but there is still a lot of plastic waste scattered around, destroying the surrounding natural landscape. I
Yeah,
have one more
it's
question. How do it how do I invite local company to take care of nature?
Yeah, it's true that Indonesia has many very beautiful and good tourist attractions to live in. But on the negative side, there is a lack of maintenance or natural conservation. So for the problem of how to make people, especially Indonesians, have awareness in participating in caring for nature. We ask students who are working in the forestry sector will form an organization which discusses dealing with nature and environmental problems, but they still in the planning process. So far,
That's a good idea. The nation does have a very beautiful nature. Too bad if not cared for properly. But from the government itself has a effort provide the existence in the formation fermented in the organization.
yes, last night we had a meeting together.
What they say about your organization?
Yes, they are very inspired by the result of our meeting. Today we will provide a little help in the process of forming the organization.
Wow, that's great. What's the purpose of the organization?
Yes, as I have explained before, the goal is to deal with natural problems or to grow our awareness about the preservation of nature. So for the name of the organization, you haven't decided what it will look like, but there is already a little idea what it will be like. That's what's here.
Oh, I mean, it's still in the design process. So, what do you hope as a from three student for these millennial children, most of whom do not yet have a winner of environmental sustainability?
Okay, so I have to represent all of my friends. I hope that all of us are not only children today. We must have high intention and awareness that sustainable environment and nature is very important. Because if the surrounding environment is clean and nature is sustainable, we will face what is called peace and tranquility. If nature is damaged, it will cause many problems and
Yeah, that's right. I hope so too. I also wanna ask about that basic cause of natural damage. Of course, you must have done a lot of research in a various place, both in the process and around this surrounding environment.
okay. So the environmental and natural problems are caused by two things. First, because of natural event, as event that must occur as a dynamic process of the nature itself. Second, because of human action and ban, causing disaster from the many problems regarding nature.
Oh, so the role of human is much bigger in causing damage to nature and the environment.
Yes, as a result, humans do not produce anything and nature cannot be friendly with us.
Okay, maybe that's all for today's chat. I'm very grateful for respecting me so much and also for raising my awareness for environmental sustainability. Okay, Nisa, thank you very much for your time. See you again.
You're welcome. See you.
Okay, guys, that's all for you chat today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.